Hi guys, I will tell you shoulder anatomy, especially coracoacromial ligament. You can see this illustration. This green one is coracoacromial ligament, but this portion you should know. This portion. This is sagittal view. This is bony attachment of coracoacromial ligament, but you should know there are other portions, bursal attachment. This really attached to the bursal tissue or muscle. This is oblique coronal view. This posterior arthroscopic view. Subacromial bony attachment over there. This is also the coracoacromial ligament. It's a subacromial bursal attachment. Why should we know the anatomy of the coracoacromial ligament? Anterior portal for arthroscopy. You probably feel the resistance when you make the portal, so you'd better slightly inferior portion to make the portal, so you'd better find some soft spot. During acromioplasty, you'd better remove the bony coracoacromial ligament and also bursal coracoacromial ligament. Thank you.